Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Croissants Preppy Kitchen, full guide. Start by preparing cold butter and a flexible dough, then chill between turns to build flaky layers. Work on a cool surface, use a ruler to trim 3, 5-inch strips, and keep dough and butter below 10 degrees C. Commit to 3 full folds with 30-minute rests, and use an egg wash for that glossy, golden finish. First, we mix the dough gently without activating too much gluten so croissants stay tender. Use 500 g flour, 60 g sugar, 10 g salt, 12 g yeast, and 300 ml cold milk. Knead briefly, rest, then roll into a rectangle. Place 250 g cold butter slab in the center and seal. Chill 20 minutes before laminating to keep butter firm for clean layers. Work quickly and use a ruler for even folds and consistent layers. After laminating, roll dough to a thin 3, 5 mm sheet and cut triangles for classic croissants. Stretch each triangle gently, roll from base to tip, and tuck the ends for a crescent shape. Place on a lined tray with space for rise, proof until puffy but not doubled, about 45-60 minutes. Brush with egg wash, then bake at 200 degrees C for 12-15 minutes until deep golden and flaky. Cool briefly before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.